right, so something I just did. I got it in this color right over here. It's called Rock and Roll, I believe.
Rock and Roll paint job.
Rock and Roll paint job. Let's see what this thing does first day without knowing anything about it. Yeah, it's that big. The box is humongous. The batteries are even freaking huge. That was a fast unboxing. Damn, this color is very sick. I think you're not even gonna see what's coming when it's flying down the trails. You can like, what is that thing? Batteries are charging. Here's the remote. My first RC car. I know it's a bit overkill, but I like fast things. You can see that by looking at my channel. So let's take this thing out and see what it does. Oh no, my tire blew off. No! And that's all she wrote for tonight. Like I said, my first time ever owning one of these, ever really driving one of these. I have smiles. I can't stop smiling. This is way more intense and awesome than I thought it would be. Can't wait to hit some jumps with it, going off-road with it. A lot more to do. I guess I have to get some more spare tires as well. And if you know how to prevent this from happening, let me know. I guess just drive it like it's supposed to be meant to be driven and not like how I was doing today, the first day. But this hefty price tag, I think it's worth it if you have the extra money to spend and if you're super into this. Otherwise, I'm sure you could have the same amount of fun with a much cheaper option. But I have no regrets. I'm enjoying it. I waited a long time to get a RC vehicle. So any tips, suggestions? Again, this is my first RC car. Any kind of advice you can give me, I'd greatly appreciated. I hope you liked the video. I hope you can kind of see what this thing can do just in the backyard with no crazy jumps. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. I have more stuff on this RC car vehicle added to the collection on the channel. And until next time, peace. Yeah, I found the piece. I don't know if I could salvage this.